Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable cookie tracking in Cookiebot on WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable cookie tracking in Cookiebot on your WordPress site, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Installed Plugins to view all your current plugins. Locate the Cookiebot plugin in the list. Once you find it, click on Settings under the Cookiebot plugin. This will take you to the Cookiebot settings page. On this page, look for the Cookie Declarations section. Here, you'll see options related to cookie tracking and consent. Find the option labeled Cookie Consent. You may see an option to enable or disable cookie tracking. Toggle the setting to off or disable. After making this change, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to ensure your settings are applied. Next, navigate to the Cookiebot dashboard by clicking on the Cookiebot link in the left menu. In the dashboard, verify that cookie tracking is disabled by checking the status. You should also consider clearing your website cache if you use a caching plugin. This will help to ensure that the changes take effect immediately. To finalize, visit your website in an incognito browser window. Check for the cookie consent banner to confirm that tracking is indeed disabled. If everything appears correct, you have successfully disabled cookie tracking in Cookiebot on your WordPress site. For further adjustments or troubleshooting, refer to the Cookiebot documentation. This resource provides additional guidance and support tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.